This is crazy.
Here, I'll take the camera.
Random thing we found. We've been doing a lot of moving the last few days. We're actually, you're not gonna believe where we are. We're actually in Texas.
Deep in the heart of Texas.
Yeah.
You know, I think there must be a song written after almost every single town or city in Texas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Galveston.
I believe that. El Paso.
Amarillo, Alabama.
Okay, so the last few days we've been doing nothing but driving pretty much. There's a cold snap coming in. We're trying to outrun it, so we're trying to head south as quickly as possible.
We were in Pancho Villa State Park 2 nights ago, met up with some friends that camped there.
Dudley and Lindo, we had a good time with them.
Yeah.
And we're driving along. We're just west of the town of Marfa, Texas. And there's this crazy roadside display. It's James Dean, and they filmed the movie Giant in 1958 here at this location on this ranch here. So they've made kind of a little tribute thing.
Yeah, they've got solar panels and speakers. The speakers look like rocks. They're kind of painted to look like rocks. It must be a fairly new thing.
This is new because we've been through here before and we've not seen this. So that's pretty cool. It's one of those random things.
So it was filmed here, right?
Yeah, 1958.
Huh. Pretty cool.
Yeah, apparently a lot of movies were filmed through here. No Country for Old Men, and there's been a lot of them. I kind of looked online, but yeah, so we've been doing some moving, which is not our thing, but it's been necessary. When
we were at Pancho Villa State Park, which is on the Mexican-New Mexico border, it got down into the low 40s at night, but it was windy and cold during the day. And then the last couple nights, it was supposed to be getting down into the upper 20s at night.
Yeah.
So that's not what we wanted. So
we've been zipping along. Yeah.
Well, I think we did 170 miles yesterday, so
it's kind of a lot.
We're probably gonna do 110 today.
We would not make good truck drivers.
No, I'm tired.
I am exhausted right now for some reason. Driving makes me tired, or riding makes me tired. Yeah, so I think we're gonna stop in Marfa, and we'll meet you down over there. Check it out. We are just east of Marfa, Texas, and we're at the Marfa Mystery Lights viewing area. We're actually going to spend the night right here. It looks like we got another camper behind us there. What are the Marfa Mystery Lights, you ask? This is a good question, and one nobody can really answer. So mysterious lights appear, is it at dusk?
I think, yeah, just after sunset, I think.
Yeah.
We were here before. I think we did a quick video on it or mentioned it.
We saw them, but our camera could not pick it up. Now, I don't know if that's going to be the case this time or not, but we're going to try.
The first known, there's a plaque out here that says that a cowboy in the 1880s was herding cattle out here and he saw them, and he thought they were Apache Indian fires, but the Apache used to think that they were stars falling out of the sky, and there's all kinds of different theories. But we're going to see them tonight. We're going to solve the mystery once and for all.
Right. So really, they think it's some kind of weird phenomenon similar to a miracle, but something about the way the light bends, and you can see the light from afar, but not from up close. The atmosphere bends.
They think.
They don't know. We don't know. Nobody knows. But I've seen the lights myself, and it's really bizarre.
Well, we had just a little GoPro session camera was all we had back then, so if we see them tonight, maybe we can get the Sony camera out and try to zoom in on them.
I'll try, yeah.
Anyway, it's a little breezy.
It is breezy, and it's supposed to get about freezing tonight, so we've been trying to outrun the cold, and it's much colder north of us, but we're still gonna head south tomorrow, so I'm gonna pop in there and make some...
And I'm gonna finish a spoon.
I'm gonna make some rice. You are gonna finish a spoon.
Well, it's finished, I just have to oil it. I've actually finished 2 spoons.
Yeah.
One out of that piece of mesquite, and then one I never showed. It was our older boy Tyler. I asked him what kind of spoon should I carve next, and he said a bar spoon.
He threw down a challenge.
Well, I really don't know anything about bar spoons, so I looked one up, and they have like a spiral cut into them. Apparently it does something with the mixing of drinks, I don't know. So
Well, let's go back and show him.
I carved one out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna wait for night to fall and we'll get those lights, but let's show you what these spoons look like.
I'm not sure if I'll do another bar spoon. It's had to be hard because they're small and delicate, so I needed a hardwood, like really hardwood.
Yeah.
And so we just stopped in a hardware store and I bought a piece of oak.
Yeah.
I won't carve oak again. Well, never say never.
No. Yeah.
But this mesquite spoon's been proving to be pretty hard stuff too, so maybe I can make a bar spoon out of mesquite.
Maybe. We don't really need a bar spoon.
Stand by.
Stand by. Brr, yeah, it's gonna get chilly tonight.
And a train.
And a train.
Oh boy.
Whoop, whoop.
Yay, adventure.
Wow.
That, let me tell you, was a pain in the butt. I left the tool marks in the back of the spoon. It's kind
I love
of like
that.
my trademark.
I like that. I like that a lot.
That was a
just
super
looks
pain.
insane. Tink, 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 tink.
And this, you can see I left the tool marks in the back of the mesquite wood.
No, this is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Well, it was really heavy because it was
color-wise.
green. Now it's dried.
No, I mean color.
Oh, the color was, yeah.
Yeah.
But I burnished it, and all I have for burnishing is this. But once I was done burnishing the whole thing, it's just like glass. It's literally like...
So you chop it with an axe, you carve it with your tools, your knives and your carving stuff.
Yeah, then I took 800 grit and then 1000 grit and sanded it, and then I burnished it with...
When you say burnish, you're just rubbing it.
Yeah, you're just rubbing it and kind of closing the fibers and...
Interesting. Yeah, it is so smooth, you guys. I can't even tell you.
It's
feels
my
like
it's my version of a heart spoon. Some people they make a heart spoon, they actually carve it like a heart here.
I like that.
Not me.
Really, this is really cool.
So anyway, let's oil it up and see how it looks.
Okay. Wow. This is its first coat of oil it's had.
I had this knot that went right through here, and it was like the biggest pain ever. This knot wasn't bad, but that one was really a pain. Mesquite spoon, who'd have thought? So the sun is set, and we see the lights.
Yeah, okay, you see those lights? It's below. It's right under the mountains. Those twinkling lights. You see that? It's like right on the ground line. Oh my gosh, look at how bright that one is on the left.
There's nothing over there.
Crazy. Okay, I'm cold.
Yeah, it's gonna get down to freezing tonight, so we gotta go bundle up, batten down the hatches.
He took pistol out this morning.
It was 31 when we got up.
Yeah. Those Marfa lights went on for an hour.
I saw the Marfa. Sorry. Yeah, it was cool. It was cool because I could sit in the chair and look out the window and just watch them. I had to get up this morning and satellite image to see there wasn't a town or something over there, but there's just nothing but.
It's weird. I was reading a little further online too. There's been different studies done. You giving yourself a bath, babe?
Sure, a lot of people come watch it. There was probably 15, 20 people showed up here out of nowhere just to.
Yeah, and 4 vans spent the night, so we're in good company. We are booking it today. This is our last long travel day, I'm thinking, for a while.
Hey.
Heading down to Seminole State Park. Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
In Texas. We're gonna get the bikes out. I got some stuff I want to bake. I don't know. I just need to stay.
What are we baking?
I don't know. I got some. I don't really know. I got some dried fruit. I kind of want to make some kind of scone thing.
We got that leftover chili we made, that big batch of chili.
Oh, that's what we made with leftover meatloaf.
Yeah, it's so good. She crumbled up the extra meatloaf and made chili out of it. Oh my god.
One day of meatloaf was enough.
Yeah, but the chili is amazing,
chili.
but we froze that extra.
Yeah.
So sometime we should make cornbread and thaw that out.
Ooh, or chili dogs. I must be hungry. I'm talking food pretty early this morning.
Yeah, we just went into Central Time Zone, so it's...
Yeah, our schedules are all whacked.
It's 8:50, but my body says it's 7:50.
Yeah.
And Pistol says, what in the heck are we doing up?
What in tarnation?
Oh, look at she's falling asleep.
She's my little bug. Alright, let's get there so we can relax.
Okay.
I gotta keep them awake and navigate. Oh, I think we're gonna make a Target run real quick. Out here in the middle of nowhere. What in the world? This is hilarious. Target. What's next?
Well, what's funny is we didn't stop before because we just barely saw it, but there was a similar building, but it was a Prada store.
It was Prada, and they actually had shoes inside of it. It wasn't trash like that one. It said Prada, and then they had glass. It was a concrete building like that, and they had shoes on display inside. That was many, many miles ago on a different highway. But I don't fully understand. Is it just advertising?
Someone out here out of boredom, maybe?
I don't know. It's so weird. Oh, maybe we should have done some recon first. Can't get there from here.
You can't get there from here.
That gate is definitely locked. Oh, obtain permit to headquarters, but no, it's shut.
Headquarters is on the other side of that fence.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, we better talk to this guy and see what's going on. Okay, so what is going on is it's hunting season here, and it's a special permit hunt in progress. Park is open to visitors on the weekends only, Friday 2 p.m. through Sunday 10 p.m. Well, this is not a weekend.
We're gonna go back to that picnic area just a few miles back.
Chalk another one up to us not doing any research whatsoever.
You know, we could do all that research, but that'd be boring.
I know, this is part of the adventure. We're gonna end up somewhere awesome anyway, so, or not. Hey, whatever happens, happens. This is looking like home sweet home, I think. Yep. What say you?
Oh, look at this. Well, we can't pay to camp over there, so we'll just have to suffer living here for free.
Yeah, I mean, I hear the construction from here. That's kind of funky.
Yeah, but that'll close down pretty soon.
Oh, yeah. So this is just
Pecos.
like a mile and a half north of that Seminole State Park. Pecos River.
It is super low compared to last time.
So low.
In fact, can you see that boat ramp we put in?
Yeah, so over here we did, this is like 2 years ago, we put in our inflatable kayak over here. And
Oh,
yeah, this is so low. Wow.
I don't know, it's not that bad. There's a boat ramp right back there.
Yeah, so the boat ramp is like right here. So we put in and we paddled around this corner.
Right around the corner is the Rio Grande.
Yeah.
So we actually kayaked into the Rio Grande. It was awesome.
But you see right now it turns into land. It's all dried up here.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
stops it, man.
I
And
know.
we kayaked all along that cliffside.
We did, yeah.
I don't want to put the paddleboard in there.
I know. Crazy. Whew. Okay.
I'll take it.
I'll take it. I think we beat the cold. Now, tomorrow night here in this area gets pretty cold again. So I think tomorrow we might move on. We were thinking Falcon Lake, yeah?
Maybe.
Maybe we should look ahead and see if it's even open.
We have no cell service. So
Oh, yeah, that's right. There's no service here. Maybe we won't look. It'll just be a surprise. Carry on.
Carry on.